You guys know that we do not charge what we used to charge before, and our price has gone up, and every show we do we get paid good. So I'm telling you guys, deal or no deal, because even without deal, guys, we worked with Glenfiddich yesterday.
Like, you guys,
we're working. We went on Shiva's store. Like, so what are you guys saying? We're working with these
brands, whiskey.
We're working with these brands steadily. So, with or without a blue paper, being a brand ambassador or anything, we're good.
You guys need to understand that brand deals will come, definitely. But are we chasing after it? No. But they will come.
They will definitely come.
Now go bra.
You guys will know about it. But for now, we're good.
See us, Wanni X and
we gallant, we active as fuck.
We're eating good.
You know, we're here. We're gallant and you.